2021 Ford Bronco. With less than 26,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, convertible hardtop, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.